Welcome to Lua tutorial. In this very tutorial we're implementing a multiplication timetable using Lua programming language. I have my Corona simulator open and the Corona simulator output right here. So I'll start by creating a new project. So let's give it a name. We call it Timetable. And let me save this on my desktop right here. There. Click on save, but make sure you select blank. Click on save, and that is it. I will now double click on the main. That's the main folder created by Corona itself. Double click on it, and it's now opening the Lua editor. For your information, you can also use any other editor though, but that's how I just intend to do mine. So I'll start by writing as follows. Let's say io.write, which means input and output. Write as follows. So I'm going to give it a title. Let's go for multiplication times table. Okay, I'm now going to say backslash 3 backslash there and close the bracket just like you guys have in C++. So the next thing is I will now use a for loop for, let's say, for I equals 1 comma to 12 do. Okay, so what I've just said is I would like you to generate between 1 to 12, and okay, in the case of Lua you always have to end it. So I will also say io.write, open a bracket, enter I comma speech mark times, let's enter a tab slash t, the t stands for a tab, and close the speech mark, comma I, and comma again. Then we enter the speech mark equals, let's enter a slash there to give us another tab, and comma, let's enter a comma right there. Then I will now say letter I multiply by letter I, comma, so let's enter forward slash backslash, and that will give us new line. So if I run this very program right now, let's make sure I've got it all right. Okay, let me just correct this before we run it. This seems to be, yeah, that's fine now. So I will now run the program. As you can see on the Corona simulator output, there's nothing there. So let me come here, just drag this down a little bit. That's the table. If I click on that, you get the simulator and you get a multiplication timetable right there. So you can also go to file, relaunch, you guys see that, and you can even press Control R to rerun it. And that is how you create your own multiplication timetable with Lua program using Corona simulator output. That is it right there. It's a very simple lines of code. That's it. With that, I'll just call it bye for now.